Do you know how to tell your hobby in Japanese language? Hobby is shumi. Hobby te nihongo de nan desu ka? Shumi desu. Shumi wa nan desu ka? Shumi wa nan desu ka is what is your hobby? And to answer this question, you can start with the expression watashi no shumi wa nani nani desu. Let's see how you can express your hobby in Japanese language. This is the question. Shumi wa nan desu ka? Watashi no shumi wa supotsu desu. Watashi no shumi wa ryoko desu. If it is meishi, noun, you're going to write it as it is. But if it is some act where the verb is involved, you're going to use the dictionary form of the verb with koto. Doubutsu no shashin o toru koto desu. Watashi no shumi wa uma ni noru koto desu. Doubutsu no shashin o torimasu. Uma ni norimasu. Noru. So here we are using jishoke, that is dictionary form of the verb, and koto. Okay. Let's see some exercises to understand this better. Shumi wa nan desu ka? E o kaku koto desu. E o kakimasu is to paint or to draw. E o kaku koto desu. Shumi wa nan desu ka? Eiga o miru koto desu. This is eiga o mimasu. So, eiga o miru koto desu. Shumi wa nan desu ka? Shashin o torimasu. Torimasu is the verb. Dictionary form is toru. Shashin o toru koto desu. Shumi wa nan desu ka? Uta o utaimasu. Utaimasu is to sing. Uta o utau koto desu. How will you write this? It will be uta o utau koto desu. Are you getting this? This is a noun, uta, but utaimasu is a verb. Uta o utau koto desu. Then, shumi wa nan desu ka? Unten shimasu. Unten shimasu is to drive. Unten suru koto desu. Have you understood? Will you be able to express your hobby in Japanese language? Shumi wa nan desu ka? Hon o yomu koto desu. Or my hobby is reading books. Okay. So please comment below this video with your hobby in Japanese language.